Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the new clearance markdowns and penny list for this week at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now I want y'all to keep in mind that these prices will start on Tuesday, June the 20th. Alright, so first up, I do want to go ahead and say Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there watching. And we are going to have our Father's Day items joining our clearance markdowns starting on Tuesday, June the 20th. So we're going to start off with the Father's Day novelty items. Those are going to be going down to 25% off. And then we also have our Father's Day mugs and tumblers going down to 50% off. And that's going to be it for our new clearance markdowns for this week at Dollar General. Now let's go ahead and jump right in to our new penny list for this week. So first up, remember that we do not ask employees about penny items. That is the #1 rule to penny shopping. All you have to do is go into your local Dollar General, look for the items that I'm going to show you all in this video, scan them with your Dollar General app. Make sure you have your correct store location set because your miles may vary. And if the item scans at 000 or 001, that means that you have in fact found a penny item. Now also, don't forget to be kind to the employees. Kindness goes a long way when you're penny shopping. And also, do not leave the store in a big mess. Always pick up after yourself. We are not children. We are all adults here. So pick up after yourself. Do not leave the store in a mess. Alright, so starting on Tuesday, June the 20th, we have our yellow dot toys going down to just 1 penny. You guys want to be on the lookout for the tags that have F20, M20, and S20 right beside the barcode, like this one pictured right here. Also, there are a lot of items that do not have the yellow dot sticker on them any longer because these toys are from 2020, so they've been on the shelves for a while. Those stickers have been torn off, so be on the lookout for any of these items. Scan. I have added quite a few yellow dot toy items. In fact, I may go ahead and put together an updated yellow dot toy visual video. I know that a lot of people have been sending in pictures. I definitely need to go back in and double check my email and my Instagram and see what all has came in. And I do want to thank all of the people who have been sending in pictures. That is a huge, huge help. And thank you guys so much. I know that it takes time out of your day to stop and send in those pictures and email them and all the things. So thank you guys so much. And I do want to give a special shout out and thank you to our awesome friend Jodian. She has been sending me in tons and tons of pictures between toys, socks. She has been helping me out tremendously. So thank you, girl, so much. It really does mean the world to me. Now, a couple of quick things that I wanted to kind of remind you guys about with these yellow dot toys. They have been on the shelves since 2020. So that's 3 years ago. So they are going to be harder to find. Don't forget about the stickers. A lot of these toys have the yellow dot sticker price tag on them. Those could have easily been rubbed off. So if you see one of these items, but it doesn't have that sticker on there, always scan to double check. Now, another thing to keep in mind is that there are a lot of toys out there that are also following along with the yellow dot toys. So make sure that y'all stay tuned, turn on your notifications. If anything pops up, if anybody sends me in any more information, things that they're finding out there, of course, I will let you guys know with either a new video or a post in the community tab. Now, I also wanted to remind everybody that we just recently had a Dollar General clearance event and the yellow dot toys were included. They were actually all the way down to 95% off. So I know that a lot of this stuff has already been bought up at 90 and 95% off. You really can't pass those deals up sometimes, but there are still yellow dot toys out there. In fact, I was just at Dollar General yesterday and I found 2. So make sure you look high, look low, look everywhere you go, look all around the store, especially on the sky shelves. I went into one store and they literally had toys going around the entire sky shelf that wraps around the store. So I'm sure that there are some yellow dot toys up there. But also, don't forget to check out your seasonal section. Right now, we have a lot of the summer and spring toys, and you guys know kids. They'll pick one thing up, put it down in another spot. So make sure that y'all check out all of those areas and just keep your eyes peeled. And of course, before you go up to the register, scan, scan, scan to double check. Alright guys, so we have now made it to the end of this video, and I just wanted to pop back in for a quick second to remind you all that I have even more crazy deals to share with you all. So y'all make sure that you stay tuned, and before you go, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.